Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. Now, in today's video, I want to talk to you about laying the foundation just right. Because if you start any kind of organization, any kind of foundation, or any kind of business, you want to make sure the foundation is right. And you also want to make sure you go into business with the right people, somebody that you can trust, somebody that's not selfish, and somebody that's going to bring some to the table. See, because a lot of times, if you don't have the foundation right, anything you put on that foundation is going to crumble. So be careful and don't be afraid to do it, but make sure you have good people in your business, because good people are hard to find. And to keep those good people, you have to be a good person. Because a lot of times people don't realize it's way more than a check, because good people are in high demand and they can get a check from anywhere. So show people you appreciate them, get the foundation right, and don't be selfish. So I'm going to give y'all some more business tips on the next video. So please, if you're on YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe. I would like to hear your ideas, and I'll be back for another video. This is Booker Williams. Y'all be great.